We've had people painting, we've had people scraping, putting up drywall, insulation, repairing holes in the floor. Now we're putting in cupboards and trying to give them back a kitchen. It's wonderful to see the look on their faces, to see how happy you've made them, and you can see that they're so proud of their home now, and even more they were before, and now they're just beaming, and it's really, really cool to see. Repairing homes, revitalizing communities, and rebuilding lives.